Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, heated rear seat, cooled front seat, power passenger seat. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.